Hi guys, welcome back with another video. In today's video we'll learn how to use sort option in Excel and how to sort data. So let's get started. So this is my inventory sheet and I want to sort data by location, by product and by supplier. So if you go to home tab, once you are in the column where you want to sort the data, so you need to be in the you need to select one cell in that column and you need to go to home, and then this is sort and filter. So click here and then sort A to Z. So you can see this as the data is sorted from in alphabetical order. So if you want to sort it from Z to A, once again I'll go to filter, sort Z to A, and this is in descending order. Now we'll learn how to use Excel function to sort data. So the problem with the Excel function sort is it is hard to use in the same sheet. So what we'll do, we'll add another sheet. So I'll go to this sheet and I'll use function sort. So if I go to sort function and click on my function arguments, so there are 4 arguments. One is array. Array is basically range of the data we want to sort. So we'll select this one, go to our inventory sheet and select our array, and then sort index. So our sort index is the next one, and this is the column number which we want to sort. So we want to sort it by supplier, and that is column number 1, 2, 3. So we are going to select 3, and then column number 3, and then in which order we want to sort it. Should it be in ascending order or descending? For ascending it's number 1, it is A to Z. For descending it will be -1. So we want to use 1, and then last one is by column. Logical value indicating the desired sort direction. False to sort by the row, true to sort by the column. So we want to sort it by the row instead of the column, so we'll type false here. So this is the function sort array, and which column we want to sort and which order we want to sort, and then whether we want to sort row or column. So these are the 4 arguments. I'll click OK, and so this is how you can sort the data using Excel function. So then it also copies data into this sheet. So once you apply filter, Control Shift L, and you select this down arrow, and you have A to Z option, so you can use sorting from here. So these are the 2 options, but this will apply sorting only on one column at a time. So if you want to apply sorting on multiple columns, so you need to go to data and go to this sort option. So once you are here, you can select which you want, which column should be the top priority. So for example, if I want to get my supplier from A to Z, and then I want to add another level, and then I want my location. So how system knows that my these are my headers? So because this tick mark is there, my data has header. So once I remove this one, so it has shifted now to A, B, C, D, which are my column headings. So I know I have got my data has a header, so that's the reason you need to select this one, so that system know you have the column headings. So I have my location A to Z, and then I want to add another level. So I want my quantity largest to smallest, and I'll click OK, and you can see my supplier is there, and then location and the quantity is in descending order. So this is how you can apply multiple level of sorting on different columns. So next thing is we'll learn how to use icons. So I want to apply icons on my cells. So I'll go to home, I'll go to conditional formatting, I'll go to icon sets, and I will go to more rules, and I want to set icon set from this formatting style. And then once I want to, instead of percentage, I've got numbers, so I'll select number, and if it is greater than 100, my icon should be green. If it is greater than 50 and between 100, it should be amber. Anything less than 50 will be red. I'll click OK. So you can see anything greater than 100 is green, anything less than 100 is amber, anything less than 50 is red. and then to sort data according to cell icon instead of values. So you can once again sort by color, and then I can select all the red ones, but this is only at this column level as explained earlier. Now if you want to apply multiple level values sorting, so you can once again go to data, go to sort, and then add another level. Instead of quantity where cell value, I'll change it to conditional icon formatting icon. So you can see it is selected. So on top I want the red ones, so I'll click OK. So now this has followed the multiple layer of sorting. So lastly, if you want to change the order of sorting, so you go to sort, and then to shift your level. So this is priority wise. First priority is supplier, second is location, the third one is quantity. If I want my quantity to be top priority, so you can use these up and down arrows to change the priority. If you want to delete any sorting criteria, you can delete it, you can add or copy level. So if now I've my quantity on top, I'll click OK. Now it will show me all my locations where which quantity is short. So less than 50, all red are on top. So this is how you can sort out data and apply icon if need to, and multiple layer of sorting. And that's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.